Hi friends, my name is Larissa and I'm happy to welcome you to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a chamomile. I hope you'll like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Most of the chamomile petals are 5.5 centimeters long, with a few measuring 3 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Insert these shorter petals randomly between the main ones to make the chamomile look more natural. Mark the center of the chamomile on the base and color it yellow using a pencil, marker, or anything else you prefer. I like it when white flowers on a white background have a bright spot. This step is optional, as the yellow center will still tint the base underneath, but not as brightly. How to make these leaves and swirls I showed in this video. The link will appear in the top right corner and in the description below. If creating a chamomile from scratch still feels challenging, you can use a template. Use the coupon code LarissaYouTube to get 20% off all templates in my shop. The link is in the description. Thank you for your support.